How to add the terms and privacy policy link to WordPress registration form. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add the terms and privacy policy link to WordPress registration form, so your members can read it first before they accept to register on your website. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once both plugins are active, please create terms and privacy pages. You can use any terms and privacy generator software to create the page contents. Next step, navigate to Youzify panel, Membership Settings, and Register Settings. Scroll down until you find the Term and Privacy Policy Settings section and enable Display Note option. Fill term URL and privacy policy URL box with the URL page. And let's see the result. You can find it below your registration box. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.